cut out all these images from the cut apart sheet in the Seeds of Happiness paper pad. They turned out so pretty, so I'm going to make a card using this cute girl here. And I've cut some layers out. I have a sentiment, Soak It Up. That's from your stamp set for the stamp of the month for July. And that's called Stop and Smile. Really cute. So that's an add-on to your paper pad club. So let's go ahead and glue this together.
Saturday morning, coffee in hand, cutting up paper, got a big plan. Pulling out stamps, picking a theme, my craft room's buzzing like a dream. Patterns and colors all laid out, glitter and glue without a doubt. My scissors snip, my die cut spin, let the card making fun begin. Card makers gonna make with a paper pad and shape. Add a bow, a gem, a dot, crafting magic on the spot. Stamp it once, emboss it twice, throw in sparkle, make it nice. From the heart, handmade and true, that's what card makers do. Ink on my fingers, scraps on the floor, still got ideas, gonna make more. Birthday thank you, holiday cheer, my little stack grows every year. Washi rolls and sticker sheets, layers stacked up, oh so neat. One last touch, the cinnamon sweet, then off it goes, my job's complete. Card makers gonna make with a paper pad and shape. Add a bow, a gem, a dot, crafting magic on the spot. Stamp it once, emboss it twice, throw in sparkle, make it nice. From the heart, handmade and true, that's what card makers do. Late night glow from a desk lamp light, cutting and crafting into the night. It's not just paper, it's love and care, a little piece of me in there. Card makers gonna make, spread some joy for kindness sake. Mail it out or tie a tag, wrap it up in a paper bag, mix and match, then send it through. That's what card makers do. Yeah, that's what card makers do. Ink on my fingers, scraps on the floor, still got ideas, gonna make more. Birthday thank you, holiday cheer, my little stack grows every year. When the heart handmade and true, that's what card makers do.